Okay, so here's the video that we want to download. It's embedded right into this website. It's a Vimeo video, so let me play it.
The payload, the Windows Metapretas.
Okay, so it sounds like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on this video, inspect it. This will pop up. So you see when we hover over this div, it gives us half of the video. So we need to find a div that will cover everything, like this div right here. But if you check right up here, this is the iframe. It's the source where the video is coming from. You can see there is https player.vimeo.com and stuff like that. So this is the iframe that is holding the entire video. We're not interested in the iframe. What we're interested in is this script tab. It's the one that is giving us a headache, this everything. So you right click on it, edit as HTML. You're not going to write any codes, you just want to copy all these codes. Head over to your browser, this very browser, and there is a tool called Unminify. So you want to paste your codes in there and unminify the code. Copy the codes and open any text editor. Right now I'm going to use my Visual Studio Code. You can use any text editor, Notepad, Microsoft Word, anything. So you paste your code in there. So what you want to do, this is too much, it's a lot of codes. I don't know, most of you don't like it. So you search for MP4. I used the shortcut Control Find to find the word MP4. Okay, so there are very many MP4s right in here and they all have links. But what we're looking for is the one that has the biggest width, because we want to download a high quality video. Okay, so this video has a width of 960, which is small. This has 1366. I think it is something that we need. So the only thing that we're going to do is to just copy this entire link. It's a long one. Copy this link. Okay, head back to your browser and paste it right there. So this is the video. We have the video right here.
So you may need to find out what could be within, if I say minus search. So remember, there are different options that you can do with this.
So it is as simple as this. 11 minutes, then we'll have the video in our local drive.
Standalone payload generate